The Compromise of 1850 was a group of laws that Congress passed in 1850. They were passed under the leadership of Henry Clay, a senator from Kentucky. The goal of these compromises was to resolve the ongoing conflict between northern and southern states over the spread of slavery into western states. Northern states did not want slavery to be legal in any new states created at this time, while the South wanted new states to allow slavery. The agreement had 5 parts. One part was that California would be admitted to the Union as a free state, which meant slavery was prohibited there. Another part of the agreement was that the new territories of New Mexico and Utah could vote on the issue of slavery. A third part was the resolution of the boundary between Texas and New Mexico. A fourth part was the passage of a stricter fugitive law, which made it easier for people to capture and return escaped slaves to their former owners. The last change to the compromise declared the slave trade illegal in Washington, D.C. This law was unsuccessful because it kept the Union together at a time when people worried that southern states might secede. However, it was unsuccessful because it only delayed dealing with the issues of slavery. 10 years later, these same issues would lead the nation to civil war. The Missouri Compromise was a compromise to diffuse the sectional and political rivalries. They made it to where the new state, Missouri, was to be made a slave state, and Maine was to be made a free state, balancing out the free states, which are 11, and slave states, which are also 11. They did this in hope of it stopping political tension to want to secede and start a civil war. But instead of that happening, it added on to the tension for the Civil War by adding boundaries for each.
That's not even funny.